Hello guys, welcome to another video in this React series. In this video, we are going to learn how to implement a tabs feature or component in ReactJS using Bootstrap. Tabs are a great way to organize and display content in your web applications. As you can see here, we have 3 tabs in our application where on click of each tab, we can see different content which is pertaining to that particular tab here. For this example, I have added simple content here. You can add a lot of content, images, or whatever the multimedia elements or forms or any other things as well here. So as I said, we are going to implement this tab feature using Bootstrap. So the first thing is you need to have a Bootstrap installed in your React.js application. If you are not installed, please refer one of my video where I have explained the steps required to install and use it in React.js application. I have provided the link for that video in the description as well. Once you have Bootstrap in your application, next we'll have a functional React component for our tabs. In this example, I have named it as mytab.js. And you can observe here the basic structure of React functional component is added here. Inside this functional component, first let's add the necessary packages or dependencies at the top of this functional component. So here we are going to use tabs and tab components which are part of React Bootstrap library. Then let's add a JSX elements for our tab using Bootstrap. Currently we have only one header here, and as we are going to place multiple JSX elements, let's add React fragment here, and within this one let's move this header, and next add JSX elements which are required for our tab. Here you can see we have added an outer JSX elements by name tabs. Within this one we have added 3 tab elements. Here each tab component represents a different tab with its own content. So whatever the content we want to add, we can add within these tabs here. And here we configure each tab with a unique event key here. And we have added a title for each tab as well. And here we also define the default active key property to determine which tab should be active by default when the component is rendered. By these steps, our Bootstrap tabs feature is ready in React.js application. So let's import this one in our main component, that is app.js. At the top, to import we'll use import mytabs from and the path of this component. And we'll add this one in our return statement of our app.js file. Once we are done with this final step, let's save all the files here. Go back to browser to preview this now. Now you can observe 3 tabs are created here, and whatever the content we have added in each tab, that is being displayed on click of each tabs. This is another one of the feature which is very useful in our application development. You can enhance this one based on your requirement, like by adding different contents or applications components or different feature within these tabs as well. So that's it guys for this short video. If you have any questions, please put it in the video comments. Thanks for watching this. If you like this, please click on like button, share it with others and subscribe to my channel.